Okay guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my content, this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics, and the person you are seeing on your screen right here is Samuel Joshua. So in today's tutorial, if you find it difficult to add your shipping address or your shipping company in your Pindoudou account, I'm going to be showing you the exact same way to do it, to avoid doing a mistake or to avoid your item being delivered to another warehouse address. So I'm going to be showing you the exact same method that I've been using. Also, maybe you've created a PDD account before, Pindoudou account before, you want to change your warehouse address to a new one. This video is for you. Also, if you want to add it fresh, maybe you just bind the Pindoudou account to your WeChat account and you want to add your shipping address to this account, so this video is also for you. All right, so before we go fully into the tutorial, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Is very much important because we are like family here. All right, so without further more ado, let's dive into the tutorial. This is my PDD here, so I'm going to open my PDD account here. So if you've already registered or not, or if you've already added your shipping company address before or not, you are still going to be following the same process. Maybe you want to change it to a new one. You got a new shipping company, you want to change the address, or you are changing it for the very first time. This is still the same process you are still going to be following. Okay, so let's just select any random shoes here. Let me click on this half shoe. So once I click on it, the details will load, right? So I'm going to click on this red guy here to just pretend as if I want to buy this item. This is the point where you get to change the address from your existing one to the new one you want to change it into. So you want to click on this location here. You click on it and it's going to load up the existing warehouse address that you have before, or maybe you have used before, or you are still presently using, or you want to change to. That is why I said it's still the same process. Okay, so you want to click on this red button guy here. So once you click on it, this option will pops up here. All right, so popping up this option, I'm going to be taking my time to explain this into a different segment. All right, so I'm going to screenshot this page now. Screenshotting this page will takes me to my Google Translator, where I'm going to be teaching you and opening this same process for you here, so you'll be able to understand everything in this process, because a single mistake can lead to them delivering this item to the wrong warehouse. So I'm going to open my Google Translator now. So this is my Google Translator here. Now let me try to zoom in for you to see. So the first option here says receiver, and opposite of this receiver we have consignee name. This consignee name simply means the person that is going to be receiving this item. That is the name of the person you are going to be adding. So whichever shipping company that you are using, they always have their warehouse manager name there, so that is the name you are going to be putting there. Secondly, the phone number of the person. In some cases you add your phone number, but I will always advise you don't do that. All right, because they will not contact you, they will contact the warehouse manager once the item reach there. So you put the warehouse manager number there. Any number that is in that warehouse address, you input it here where we have phone number. Then the third one there says area. What area? We have different cities there in China, so you want to select the area that suits your that destination of your warehouse address. Is always there. Okay, we are going to be doing it practical. And the last option there is the details, where you are going to be pasting everything the way they give it to you. You are just going to copy and paste it there, then you click on keep. All right, so now let's get into the practical. So I'm going to head over to my PDD now. So I'm going to be inputting Daniel here. So Daniel is in charge of my distance, so I'm going to be inputting their phone number as well. So I've already input Daniel's name. This is his phone number, like I've already instructed you. The third one here says the district, so I'm going to click on this district here, and I'm going to find the best district that is available. You know, I told you it comes with districts, right? So if you don't want to miss this thing, and you want to make sure that you are doing the right thing, you want to go to your Google Translator again. And guys, we are done. So this last option here is where you are going to be pasting everything. The way they give it to you, you are just going to copy it and paste it in there. So guys, with this having been said, now I've already copied this and I've already pasted it. The next thing you want to do now is to click on this red icon here to add your shipping company address. All right, so that having been said, we have automatically added the new warehouse address. If you still want to be sure if this warehouse address has been added or not, what you want to do again is to click on this guy here, and it's going to load up, and you can see that it has successfully been added. This is the warehouse address that we have in the last option here. So it has been selected, and you can see that it has been marked. So we clicked on it now, and this haven't been said, with this haven't been done, you can now proceed in buying your item. All right, so if you are still having issues in all these stated areas that I've already taught you today, you can reach out to me on this number. I can help you do procurement. Also, if your Alipay is not verified, you can also use pay for me option. All right, so okay guys, thank you guys for watching that video to the very end. I'm going to see you in my next tutorial.